running low on our loaf and it's time to make another one. You definitely need a scale. Put in 512 grams of all-purpose flour or bread flour. Either one works. Next, we put in 8 grams of salt. Next, we put in 454 grams of water, or about 2 cups. That goes 1 minute in the microwave. Then pour in 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast or instant yeast and 2 teaspoons of white sugar and stir it around and let that sit till it puffs up about 5 minutes. Just dump that straight in there and then mix it all together till it's good and wet. My room stays around 90 degrees in the kitchen, so in 45 minutes this will have doubled in size and we'll handle it from there. After 45 minutes it'll look like this, and we're going to turn that in on itself to the middle and put it over in our bread pan. All the air bubbles have been mashed out and it turns in on itself quite nicely. So let's put this in the bread pan. Once it's in the pan, I like to turn it over into the middle and push down, and that gives it this shape right here. So found that a light dusting of flour helps keep it from overcooking. It was in the oven at 375 for 50 minutes. Have our deliciously good looking loaf. Let's turn that out of the pan and take a look at it. Here we go. Time to cut into this loaf. Let's check it out. Yeah, look at that. That is so delicious. Let's go. You guys have a great day. Stay hydrated and clean as you go. You know, peace.